Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Desi Nari. Today we are going to make this pretty jhumka in the combination of fabric, oxidized jhumka and shells. So I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial and will definitely try to make this jhumka at home. And as I always say, you can try to make this stud in any other color rather than pink, as red, green, white, yellow, whatever color to match with your outfit. As this is the fun of jewelry making, that we can always do lots of customization. So if you like this video, do give the thumbs up, and if you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and make sure to like, share and comment to this video. Do try to make these gorgeous earrings at home. If you face any issue while making these earrings, do let me know in the comments below so that I can solve that issue and also others can learn from it. If you like this video, do like, share, comment on it. And if you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making designs like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then,